President Arif Alvi on Wednesday accused India of involvement in hybrid warfare against Pakistan by using the soil of Afghanistan and supporting militancy in the country. Pakistan has faced serious threats from hybrid warfare due to its unique geostrategic location. Pakistan is a nuclear state, and so conventional warfare against Pakistan is unlikely. Therefore, a wave of indirect warfare has been imposed on Pakistan to undermine and destabilize the peace, prosperity and stability of the country. In Pakistan, India is actively involved in exploiting these fault lines since 1947, and Pakistan lost thousands of citizens and security persons due to Indian conspiracies. This type of conflicts are fueled which are a combination of natural and synthetic reasons, and these conflicts pre-exist almost within every single country in the world with different intensity. Pakistan recently caught an Indian intelligence agent, Commander Kulbhushan. He revealed during interrogations Indian hybrid war plans against Pakistan. Balochistan issue is an example of India's hybrid warfare against Pakistan, which has been evolving for time to time. A recent wave of suicide attacks by Baloch separates and attack on Chinese embassy despite India's intention to distribute CPEC in Balochistan in future. Different external actors are also involved in destabilizing Pakistan, such as America and Western countries, and some Arab countries also fund separating Balochistan and harbor them. Pakistan requires a credible response by formulating offensive rules of engagement towards all hostile nations, especially India, and our future national security measures require a major upgradation on all fronts of war, ranging from conventional offensive actions against enemies of Pakistan beyond the borders by whatever means required.